Hello friends and welcome to the Gardening School YouTube channel. Most of you may have sown the seeds of summer vegetables, and even if you have not, then summer vegetable seeds can still be easily sown. Today we will talk specifically about those people who have just started gardening and want to grow vegetables in their terrace, balcony or in their front yard or backyard. In summer, a variety of vegetables can be grown such as pumpkin, sponge gourd, bottle gourd, bitter gourd, brinjal, etc. But if you are a beginner, then it is not necessary that you get good results by growing all these, because some of these vegetables are not easy to grow, and even you grow them, then it is not necessary to get good yield from them. So as a beginner, you should select a vegetable that is easy to plant, disease resistant and easy to pollinate, and that vegetable is okra. Let us first talk about okra seeds. You can get okra seeds from the seed store, or you can also buy okra seeds online. You can sow okra seeds in two ways. Either you first put okra seeds in the seed tray and then transplant it in the container, or you can also sow okra seeds directly in the container. So let's try the first method. To sow okra seeds in a seed tray, I am using coco peat only. You can also use a mixture of coco peat and garden soil. Let's first fill the coco peat in the seed tray. Now place the seeds one by one in it. And finally cover them with coco peat. All the seeds will germinate in 5 to 6 days, and in 10 to 12 days, when the saplings will have 4 true leaves, then they can be transplanted into the container. In the second method, you can sow seeds directly in a pot or container. Now all the saplings have 4 to 5 true leaves. Now these can be transplanted. Keep okra plants in a place where there is sunlight for 6 to 8 hours. Due to excessive sunlight, okra plants don't have any problem. Vegetables require regular fertilization, especially in containers where the plants are kept in limited space. Due to less fertilizer, the growth of plants can slow down and it can also affect the yield. Therefore, after every 7 days, give handful cow dung manure or kitchen waste compost or vermicompost to the plants. You can also use mustard cake. To make it, mix 100 grams mustard cake in 10 liters of water, then leave it for 4 days to ferment and then give it to the plants. Sometimes due to stress, small okra plants start producing flowers. If you allow these flowers to convert into okra, then it will make the plant weaker, because the plant will spend all its energy in producing okra. So in the beginning, you should pluck the flowers from okra plants. First, let the plant be 12 to 15 inches. After that, the plant will have plenty of okra. Mealybugs and spider mites usually attack okra plants. To prevent this, you can use 3G spray. To make it, grind 1 green chili, 4 garlic cloves and a small piece of ginger together. Mix this paste in 1 liter of water and then filter and spray on the plants in the evening time. So friends, today's video was about growing okra. I hope this video helps you. If you have some suggestions or questions about this video, then comment. If you find this video helpful, then please like it and do not forget to share it in your gardening groups. See you in the next video. Till then, happy gardening.